How to convert Facebook friends into followers. Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily change all of your friends into followers on Facebook. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook and then log into your account. Now if I just head over to my profile section right here, and then tap on view as you can see here on my profile I have this add friend button, but if you want to change this to follow button and change every friend to a follower, what you need to do is change your follow settings right here. So make sure that all of this is set to public and then tap on turn on professional mode. Go ahead and turn this one on. Follow the on-screen instruction, keep tapping on next, and then tap on next again. Review your default settings, and once everything is done, you can just go back. Now, once I'm back on my profile, you'll be able to see this professional dashboard. And now if you tap on view as, here you will still see this add friend button and it will be converted into a follow button. Now your friends will be turned into your followers as your profile has been turned into professional mode. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.